Here we have Dell 3620, which I got off Amazon, and it's less than $200. So this is the pin we're going to be using, and this is to set up the AI, a really cheap AI computer. We're going to be running some basic visual models against. And so to get this working, we're going to be using this blue slot, which is a full 16x slot on this. And this is what you should be looking for when you want to attach it to the adapter, which I ordered off the internet. It's available. This is a 6 to 8 pin adapter, and that's how it looks. So now this side of the 6 pin goes into the motherboard's and then we'll attach that. So there you go, I have attached that now, and we'll be plugging this part into the GPU. So let's get the GPU situated into the slot, full 16x slot. And this is fairly big GPU, but compared to some of the other GPUs around, it's not that humongous. So this might take a little bit while to get this situated. Let me work on it. So there we go. We kind of sort of lined it up, and wow, it actually did go in. For a fairly big GPU, it actually does fit in nicely. And now we're going to attach this onto the GPU. There we go. All right, now let's power this up and see how it looks. So I want to show, now that we have installed the graphics card, I would ask this question to the locally installed Llama model, and let's see how the GPU memory is being used. You can see that it's already reached around 12 gigs. So that's using the Nvidia GPU, and this is just using Task Manager and looking at the GPU usage.